We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram located in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a Ram 2018 5500 chassis with a service body on it. We'll get to that service body here in just a bit. Of course, this is the Laramie vehicle. Got the high intensity headlamps. Got the front park assist on the front bumper here. You got your tow hooks. This is in brilliant black. We have put on the upgraded wheels on it. We also have put the trailer tow mirrors that flip in and out. Simply pull these out. Of course, you got the chrome body molding all the way around, chrome door handles. This is a crew cab Laramie. It's got the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel in it. Something a little different on this truck that you won't see on a lot of the larger 5500 work trucks. We have put the manual transmission in it. So you got a 6-speed manual transmission. It's got a 4.44 axle ratio with the 6.7 Cummins diesel. This does have Uconnect with nav. Of course, power windows and locks, tilt steering, cruise control, memory seats. Got power seat on the driver and passenger side. On this one here, we've got the 40-20-40 front split bench, so that center console does go up. Trailer brake control, and this is a 4-wheel drive. It's got the 8.4 touchscreen radio. Rear seats with plenty of storage underneath them. Got a fold flat floor that folds completely flat down. So if you were traveling and wanted to put some luggage or something in the back, or if you're out on a job and just have some things that need to be put in the back there that wouldn't be in the bed, very handy for the fold flat floor. Got the rubber floor mats all the way around. Sliding rear window. Your touchscreen radios where your backup camera will show up. Plenty of outlets, including 115 volt AC, 150 watt, dual glove boxes. What we put on this is a Redding body, and this is an 11-foot body. We did put the trailer tow package on it with the wiring, fold down rear tailgate, and you also, like I mentioned, you have your backup camera. This has got the latch-o-matic system on it, so all these boxes will latch with a remote. I've got LED lights in every compartment. So you've got the lights that'll help you when you're looking for things in your service body here. Got 4 compartments on each side with a little bit different configuration with some trays and dividers that you can use. Steel bumper, LED taillights, and this has been painted, the body has been painted to match the chassis. Here I've got some I've got a Protect system in it, sliding out doors here that come out, so you've got different compartments to store things in. Try to put a little variation of stuff on the compartments to accommodate different types of upfitting and things like that. To store all your different types of tools, whatever type of business you're in, this would accommodate that with the boxes. Like I said, the does have a remote on here. I simply hit that and it locks the boxes and then unlocks the boxes. Once again, I've got a Ram 5500 with the manual transmission, Cummins turbo diesel. This is stock number 28296T, located here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. We have a great selection of commercial vehicles. I think I've got 6 of the 5500s with service bodies. I've got silver, I've got a maroon colored velvet red, white, black. I've got a flame red on its way. So I've got a nice selection of the commercial vehicles, including cargo vans, dump trucks. You know, I've got a chassis that doesn't have a body on it yet, so if you're looking for some special upfit, that one is available and we could upfit it the way you like. For more information on our commercial vehicles, give Steve a call here at 800-678-4188.